If you need help with your Z sound, that's okay. Check out my video before we get started. Then come practice. Let's practice Z in the first part of one of the words in our sentence. I want you to repeat after me. Zip up your jacket. We saw animals at the zoo. He takes zinc capsules. The zebra has a baby. I love to do Zumba. This is a zodiac. She drew a zigzag pattern. I see number 0. The zombie is scary. The quote is very positive. You'll need to zoom in. Now let's practice our Z sound in the middle or medial part of one of the words in our sentence. Repeat after me. She brought a dozen donuts. I am going crazy. The daisy is pretty. He had a lazy day. The ice is frozen. It turned into a blizzard outside. The bear is fuzzy. Let's do a puzzle. I saw a buzzard. Now let's practice our Z sound in the last or final part of one of the words in our sentence. Repeat after me. These are my favorite jeans. I need to rake the leaves. We wear shades in the summer. The rose has thorns. I wear goggles in the pool. I love surfing big waves. There are tons of peaches. There are holes in Swiss cheese. We found great riches. They are flammin' hot Cheetos. There are seeds in my watermelon. You did a terrific job. Keep practicing and I'll see you soon. Bye.